Welcome to Teleship. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to configure your Shopify store for international duty-paid shipping. You can pause the video at any time if needed. First, install the app. You'll be prompted to grant permissions by Shopify. These are necessary to retrieve order data to generate customs declarations, calculate duties and taxes, and to update fulfillment and tracking status. After installing, pin the app in left column for quick access. Then create an account. Setting up takes about 10 minutes if you have all the required information. You'll be prompted to provide your company information, packaging, dispatching, and billing information in settings before you can start shipping. Part 1. Shipper Details. Please fill in your EORI number. This is mandatory to export goods. If you don't have one, request one from HMRC. Company registration number is the number that is provided by Companies House. Your UK VAT number is optional here. The EU IOSS number, which stands for Import One-Stop Shop, is a number that allows you to remit VAT collected from European customers. This is optional, and if you don't have one and ship to Europe, Teleship will read your order data from Shopify and use its own IOSS number to declare VAT for orders below 150 euros shipped with us. For orders above 150 euros, IOSS doesn't apply, but these orders are still shipped delivery duty paid. EU GPSR number is also optional. Then click Save. In Part 2, you'll be asked to confirm that your goods are complying with trade and customs regulations. This is important, so please carefully review each point and acknowledge that you are compliant. For any doubt, contact us at compliance@teleship.com. Once you've carefully reviewed them, click Save. In Part 3, you will configure how long it takes for you to ship after purchasing a label. This helps to define the estimated delivery date when your parcel arrives to your customers. We recommend you to be conservative, starting with 1 or 2 days. If you ship same day, enter the required hours that you take, with minimum of 2 hours. Then click Save. Part 4 is packaging configuration. Here you can pre-configure the packages that you use in order to ship your orders. Add each format and save them. Provide weights when packages are empty, with protection materials included. Teleship will dynamically add the item weights to calculate total package weight. You can save as many as you want, and don't worry, you can still adjust package size and weight when purchasing a label. Once you've inputted all of the packages that you are using in your store, click Save. Part 5 is billing. You will need to provide your payment method. For Shopify and SME shippers, we currently only support payment via credit or debit card. Once your payment method is validated, click Save. Final part is to configure carrier rates displayed at customer checkout. You need a Shopify Grow, Advance, or Plus account to use this feature. With Teleship, you can either pass your Teleship shipping costs to the customer, set a fixed fee, subsidize or mark up shipping, or offer free shipping above value-based threshold. You will then also need to configure in your Shopify settings that rates are provided by Teleship. Once done, click Save. You will be redirected to the Orders section. You're now ready to ship. In Orders, you will be able to see all international orders that are eligible to be shipped with Teleship. When you click on Purchase Label, Teleship will return the shipping rate, the applicable duty with no markup, and the applicable VAT of the destination market, which are based on fulfillment order value. You can prepay these and will not pay any post-shipping surcharges or fees as long as you declare goods and sizes accurately. For small and medium-sized Shopify retailers, Teleship will return a prepaid Royal Mail label at label purchase. You can send your international Teleship shipment together with your domestic shipments, either by dropping them at the post office or with your scheduled Royal Mail pickup. Royal Mail will deliver these overnight to one of our facilities near London Heathrow. Once the packages arrive the next day at our facility, we will scan and dimension them and relabel with the last mile label of the destination country. We ship them every weekday to international destinations. We handle customs clearance both for export and import, pay duties and taxes, and inject them in the last mile carrier in the destination market for local delivery. All packages are fully tracked, which you can follow in your dashboard or on teleship.com/tracking. It's as simple as that. If you need any help, don't hesitate to email us at cs@teleship.com. We're here to help. Thank you for choosing us to grow your international sales.